Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to link your WordPress on Hostinger to a domain name from Namecheap. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Here or on this page, you will see a list of the available or the added websites on your Hostinger account. If you already have your WordPress website added here, that's good. If you don't have it added here, let me show you how to have it here. So click on Add Website, then select WordPress, fill in or select your WordPress website language from this list, then fill in your email address and administrator password. Click on Next. Here you can create your WordPress website using AI, pre-built websites and themes, or create a blank site. I will go with create a blank website. Now I am just showing you how to add a website, so I will not fill in my Namecheap domain here. I will go with use temporary domain in order to show you later how to connect your Namecheap domain to this website. They are now installing WordPress for me. Just wait a moment. And just like that, I've created a WordPress website for me. Let's go back to the H panel. Then go to the websites list page. And this is the WordPress website I've just added. So now you know how to have a website added here. Now let's see how to connect my Namecheap domain to this website. So simply click on these three dots and select Connect Domain. Then fill in your Namecheap domain here. For example, let's say I own namecheap.com. Fill it here. It's already used at Hostinger. Or let's say namecheapdomain.com. Do you own this domain? Yes, I own it on Namecheap. Use it. So click on it, then click on Next. Now your Namecheap domain is added to your site. Click on Continue. If you don't see your WordPress website with your Namecheap domain here, just refresh this page. Now, one last step is required, which is letting Namecheap know that my website is hosted on Hostinger. In another way, I still need to connect my domain name on Namecheap to this website on Hostinger. How to do this? It's simple. Just go to namecheap.com, click on account, login or sign in to your Namecheap account. I don't have a Namecheap domain registered, so I will show you how to do it. So first, log into your Namecheap account, then click on domain list, click on manage next to your domain. After that, you will land on this page. Click on domain, then next to name servers, select custom DNS. After that, you will see two options to fill in. You will land on this page and here fill in your custom name servers. Exactly, fill in your Hostinger name servers. What are those Hostinger name servers? It's simple. Just go back to your Hostinger H panel by typing hpanel.hostinger.com, go to websites, and next to your WordPress website that you want to connect to Namecheap domain, click on dashboard, then go to hosting plan details, and you will see the Hostinger name servers, which are ns.dns-parking.com. So copy it like that, return to the Hostinger dashboard, fill the or delete this default name server, pass the first name server, same thing, repeat it with this second, copy and paste it here, and then click on this little green check mark. Then what you need to do is to go back to Hostinger, go to overview, and if you see a red alert like domain isn't connected to your website, let them know that you've set your name servers or you've pointed your Namecheap domain to Hostinger using name servers. Click on the button which may say connect domain or something similar, then confirm your connection like that. Now what you need to do is to wait a little bit of time. Sometimes this name server change. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. This name server change takes effect after just 10 minutes, sometimes an hour, sometimes it can take up to 48 hours. Sometimes it works on this browser and not the other browser. Sometimes on your laptop it does not work, but on your mobile phone it works depending on your internet and things like that. All of this is normal. If you follow this tutorial step by step, don't worry, your domain name will be connected to your website on Hostinger. So when you type it like that, you will be shown your Hostinger WordPress website. And this is how to connect your Namecheap domain to your WordPress website on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.